Hello and welcome to part 35 of this video series. In this video, we will learn about multiple inheritance and we will see why it is not possible in C Sharp. So let's try to understand the multiple inheritance problem with an example. Let's say we have four classes, class A, B, C and D, and class B and C are inheriting from class A. So whatever is available in class A will be available to class B. So whatever is available in class A will be available to class C also, because both are inheriting class A. So that is fine. We can inherit one class in C Sharp without an issue. But the issue will come when we create a class D and try to inherit from both B and C classes. Now let's see what will happen if we have a virtual method in class A. Okay, and that virtual method is overridden by class B and C. Now, because class D is inheriting from B and C, that virtual method will be available from both the classes. Now, if we try to invoke that method using an object of class D, there will be an ambiguity. Means compiler will not know from which class we should be invoking the method. This ambiguity is called as diamond problem. Because of the shape, we call this as diamond problem. Now let's go to Visual Studio and understand this with help of an example. Okay, I have opened up my Visual Studio. Now let's try to create those four classes. Okay, so I have created these four classes A, B, C and D. Now if you look at the slides, class A was inherited by class B and C. Now let's do the same in Visual Studio also. I will inherit class A and I will again inherit class A. So class B and C are inheriting from class A. That's fine, because in C Sharp we can inherit a class without any issues. Issue will come if you try to inherit multiple classes. If I say B, comma C, means I am trying to inherit both B and C, we will get the error message. If you open up the error message, you will get class D cannot have multiple base classes B and C. So in C Sharp, one class can have only one base class. Now let's see what will happen if we have a method, virtual method, and this virtual method is overridden by class B and C. So I have used the override keyword to override the method which is available in class A. So now what will happen if I try to create an object of T class and try to invoke the print method? Let's try to do it. D equal to new object. Okay. Now if I say D dot print, now we will have the ambiguity because D class is inheriting from B and C and print method is available in both class C and class B. So C# compiler will not know from where we should be invoking the print method. This ambiguity is known as multiple inheritance problem or diamond problem. That's it for this video guys. In this video we have seen why it is not possible to have multiple inheritance using classes, but in the next video we will understand how we can implement multiple inheritance using interfaces in C#.